What if your best fertilizer was already in your kitchen or in your bathroom? Most growers spend money on plant foods they don't need to buy. Today I'm showing you 3 free alternatives. All organic, all homemade, all things you already have. I will cover what each one does, how to make it, and when to use it. Let's go. The first one is human urine. I know it sounds weird, but give me 30 seconds. Plants need 3 main nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. You probably already saw NPK letters on any fertilizer bag. Nitrogen is the growth driver for leaves, stems, and the green structure of the plant. If you don't have enough of it, your plants grow slowly and turn yellow. It also has small amounts of phosphorus and potassium, and it's fast-acting, complete, and free. The thing people worry about is smell or hygiene, but here is the reality. Fresh urine is sterile when it leaves your body, and once diluted at 1 to 10 with water, the liquid looks like pale tea and there is absolutely no smell on your plants. To collect it, you can use a clean bottle. Morning urine is best because it's the most concentrated. Just one thing, dilute it right before use. Don't store it diluted, because if it sits more than a day, it will develop smells quickly. For dosage, use 1 part urine to 10 parts water. And then you can apply it at the base of the plant. About half a liter per pot, every 1 to 2 weeks. Use it in spring to early summer, during active vegetative growth. One short note, if you are on a regular medication, skip this one, because some pass through into urine and you don't want those in your food plants. The second category is plant teas. You soak plant material in water for several days, the nutrients leach into the liquid and that liquid becomes your fertilizer. 2 plants matters here, nettle and comfrey. Nettle tea is high in nitrogen and iron. It's a growth fertilizer. You can use it in spring to get young plants established fast. Comfrey tea is different. Comfrey has deep roots that pull potassium from the soil, and potassium drives flowering and fruiting. For tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, potassium at the right moment is what turns flowers into fruit. To make it, you can fill a bucket with plant material, and it's roughly 1 part plants to 10 parts water. Submerge it, cover it, and let it ferment for 5 to 10 days. It will smell, so keep it away from windows and doors. Then strain the solids out and your liquid is ready. Also, don't do like me. Try to harvest your nettles before they go to seed if you can. It also avoids spreading them around where you don't want them. But if that's all you have, rinse them and use them anyway. It still works. Just avoid anything treated with pesticides or herbicides. You can dilute 1 to 10 before applying. Use nettle tea in spring for growth and switch to comfrey once flowering begins. The common question is, can I just use nettle instead of comfrey? For nitrogen, yes, but for potassium, no. Also, comfrey isn't easy to find, so if you can't get your hands on it, you are missing your main potassium source. And that's exactly why the third fertilizers exist. Bokashi juice is the liquid byproduct of Bokashi composter, a fermentation system that breaks down kitchen waste using beneficial bacteria. It's a sealed bucket, no oxygen, no garden needed, and it's perfect if you garden on a balcony. The liquid is highly concentrated. It contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and beneficial microorganisms that improve your soil biology over time. And more importantly, it's rich in potassium. So it's a direct replacement for comfrey tea, and it's made entirely from waste you were throwing away. Most kitchen scraps go in, cooked or raw. What you want to avoid is large amounts of liquid, very wet scraps without drying them first, and anything already heavily moldy before it goes in. For dosage, use a 1 to 100 dilution, about 1 tablespoon per liter of water, and apply it at the base of your fruiting plants every 1 to 2 weeks during the season. 3 fertilizers, 3 different jobs. Urine for nitrogen in spring, nettle tea for growth support, and Bokashi juice for potassium when your plants are flowering and fruiting. Bokashi juice is only as good as the process that makes it. And there are a few failure points that are not obvious at the first time. You can check this video where I show you the exact 2-bucket setup I use and the different rules that guarantee zero smell and a perfect batch every time. Click here to see it.